Hello, in this video we intend to withdraw the amount we deposited via USDT TRC 20 in the FXOpen broker using the same method. On the main page we select the withdraw option in the main section. Here, there are a variety of withdrawal methods to choose from.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Cryptocurrency transfers, paid services, and your personal digital wallet. For this demonstration, we will choose the cryptocurrency option. You select which account you want to withdraw from. We make our selection. From the account that has a balance, which cryptocurrency do you want to withdraw? First, we start by selecting USDT. Then we carefully choose the TRC 20 network. And finally, we enter the recipient's withdrawal address, along with the entire amount you wish to transfer. In the section for adding an address, we select the New Address option. Here we enter our wallet address. We can save it and now assign a name to it. After that, we select the Continue option. The address has been registered. We've also entered the amount and select the Continue option. Let's review the details. The withdrawal fee for an amount of $28 is $7. As you saw with the deposit method, we deposited $30 and received $28, so overall, this method has a high fee. Now, click on the Confirm option. To complete the withdrawal process, we need to enter the two-factor authentication code. We enter the code from the authentication app related to the FXOpen broker. After a few minutes, the transaction was successfully completed, and the amount we had deposited via USDT TRC 20 was successfully withdrawn using the same method. In future videos, we will be with you to cover other deposit and withdrawal methods in the FXOpen broker. Wishing you success.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.